Hello, dear seventh graders. I am home today. Today is in Tuesday. It's still Monday right now, but I'm recording this for you for tomorrow. So, I kind of warned you that I might be absent, although I didn't know for sure. And I just wanted to touch base with you real quick about a little bit of modification for reading time today. If you remember, when I was absent last week for my department leader meetings, there were several issues that arose because of students that were not reading in the classroom, students who wanted to read out in the hallway and in the IMC. So I want you to see that today in my instructions, I have required that everyone read alone and in the classroom. All right. So do not argue with the sub. Do not try to change anybody's mind. This is what I'm requiring you to do. And if you look at the sub plans that I wrote for our guest teacher today, hello, by the way, I want you to see what I wrote here. Students should get the remainder of the hour to read. Do not allow students to leave to read. If they argue or question, show them these plans and tell them I will write them up tomorrow. All right? And I obviously wrote here that she or he can show this video that I'm recording right now. So please don't let me down. Please be good about this. You can still listen to the audio, but you need to have earbuds. You need to do it quietly on your own. Other than that, you guys are going to do your Write 10 assignment, part 3 and 4. You can start on that today. You'll only have 10 minutes to work, but you should be able to get a good chunk of that done. And then I'm going to give you some time to work on your Showcase Night project. So please do a good job today. Get as much accomplished as you can, and I plan to see you back again on